Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned what Nextflow was. In today's video, we're going to actually install it. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm on the Nextflow homepage. You can find it too by pointing your web browser to nextflow.io. From here, click on the green documentation button, then go to the installation section here in the sidebar. So Nextflow works on Linux, Mac, and Windows operating systems, but it works best on Linux and Mac. So if you're on Windows, you'll need to install something called WSL, which stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. And what WSL allows you to do is run Linux inside Windows and provide you with the same command line programs available on Linux and Mac operating systems. So if you're on Windows, pause here, install WSL by following the tutorial on the Microsoft website here, and then resume the video. To install Nextflow, we need to make sure that we have a programming language called Java installed in our computers. Let's go ahead and open a terminal. I'll park mine right here and we can check together. So to check if we have Java installed on our computer, we can type in java-version. And if you get a command not found message, that means Java is not installed. So let's go ahead and take care of that. The documentation recommends installing Java using a software called SDKman. An SDKman is a software package for installing and managing different versions of Java. So let's go ahead and install this. We can do that by copying the following command into our terminals. Okay, the download is complete, but we get this message right here. It says, please open a terminal or run the following in the existing one. I'm going to go ahead and run the following command. This command may look a little bit different on your machine. Okay, great, all done. Now we can go ahead and install Java. So let's go ahead and copy this command into our terminals. All right, it looks like Java was installed. We can check if Java was installed correctly by again typing in java-version. And if you see output like this, that means Java was installed successfully. Now we can go ahead and install Nextflow. So we'll scroll down, and under Download Nextflow, we can copy this command and paste it into our terminals. Once the installation is complete, we should see a file called Nextflow on our computer. There it is. Now to ensure that Nextflow is installed successfully, let's go ahead and run Nextflow. If you see the Help menu, that means it was installed successfully. If you receive a permission error, go ahead and use the chmod command to change the permissions of the file. And if you run the Nextflow command again, you should see the Help menu. Nice, we now have Nextflow installed. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to manage software dependencies using Conda so that we can run any Nextflow pipeline. I'll see you there.